Okay, so let's get on with our topic of today's class, which is exponents and powers. So coming to exponents and powers, now that's a very interesting topic wherein we'll be using a lot of stuff. So fundamentally, what I need you to understand is very simple. When we write 2 into 2, we say 2 square, right? We say 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 cube. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times, we say 2 to the power of 4. If 2 into 2 into 2, if we do n times, so we say it's 2 to the power of n. That's how we have learned exponents. How many of you have done exponents in your, what do you call, previous class already? Some fundamentals? Just mention yes if you have done it already. Fundamentals of exponents. Brilliant, brilliant. So I'll not waste much of time on fundamentals. We'll get on with the problems quickly. Good. So 2 into 2 into 2, we say it as 2 to the power of n. So if I multiply a into a into a, we say it is a to the power of 3. If we multiply a into a into a into a, m times, so we say a to the power of m. So one way of saying is a to the power of m, and this m, the way we say is a to the power of m, a raised to the power of m, a exponent m. People say in different ways. It doesn't matter. In mathematics, how you say is not so important, but how you use it and solve is very important. But good if you know how to say it. It's a to the power of m is a standard notation and the standard way in which most of the Indians use it. A to the power of m. Okay, so maybe if your textbooks use it in a different way, it's absolutely up to you how you want to say it. I'll be using a to the power of m. So m here is also known as exponent. It's called exponent. It's also known as power. It's also known as index. So people use this in different way. They call it as exponent, they call it as power, they call it as index, and this is called the base. This is called the base. So if we have a number like 2 to the power of 3, if someone asks you what is the base is 2. What is the exponent? Exponent is 3. So that's very fundamental. So that's the basic definition. If a certain number a is multiplied m times, if a, you can see here, if a certain number is multiplied a times in succession, then the continued product so obtained is called mth power of a and is written as a power m. Or a power m is nothing but a into a m factors. And this is a very simple example to explain x to the power of 5 is nothing but x into x multiplied 5 times. Okay, so I think everyone understands this. Let me not waste time with that. So 64 is nothing but 2 to the power of 6. Basically, if you multiply 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 6 times, you write it as 2 to the power of 6, which is, you can see rightly there, and 2 power 6 is nothing but 64. So let's go further. So if someone asks you to identify base and index of minus 2 to the power of 4, now because it's a negative number, it doesn't mean that it changes. Minus 2 to the power of 4 is nothing but minus 2 multiplied with minus 2 multiplied with minus 2 multiplied with minus 2. Minus 2 multiplied 4 times. So what is the base? Base is minus 2 and your index is 4. Brilliant. Everyone understands that. Let me go further. Come on, quickly tell me what is the exponential notation of 192. There's no need to do so much of mathematics. 192, you can simply divide by 2. 2 9s are 18. 1 carries 6, 96. 2 goes 48 times. 2 goes 24 times. 2 goes 12 times. 2 goes 6 times. And 2 goes how many times? 3 times. Are we okay? Correct. 2 9s are 18. Correct. 48, 24, 12, 6, and 3. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So you can see this is nothing but 2 to the power of 6 into 3. Now 2 to the power of 6 into 3. Therefore, answer has to be C. Because 2 power 6 is here. sixth root of 3 whole power 6 will be nothing but 3 only. This 3 can be written as
Yes, sir. That's what it is.
so 2 power 6 multiplied with 3 can be written as sixth root of 3 whole to the power of 6. That's the reason it will be 2 into sixth root of 3 whole to the power of 6. That is your answer C.